Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Nur, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today, I will conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 2. Before starting our topic, I would like to gratitude to those students who are continuously watching our all classes through the YouTube channel. And my dear students, today our topic is discussion of lesson 13 to 16, I mean 4 lessons, and fill in the blanks. According to these lessons, we will do some fill in the blanks. Well, students, see, there I written from here to there only the main points. I mean the summary from the lesson 13 to 16. So see, keep attention there. From here to there are 3 pairs, and all these pairs are related to the lesson 13. And then this pair from lesson 14, and there this pair lesson from 15, and last 2 lines from 16. Inshallah, I will discuss one by one. So see, at first Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the city of Makkah in the year 570. This year was known as the year of the elephant. The people of the Makkah had seen an elephant for the first time. Therefore, this year is named the year of the elephant. Students, last video, I mean lecture number 1, I already discussed the incident of the elephant. I mean where I discussed about the Surah Fil, why Almighty Allah selected the name of Surah Fil as Surah Fil. Fil means elephant, and already I discussed there the short incident, and that was the related to the one tyrannical ruler who was the Abraha, and he came with huge of the army, and with them there was the 13 elephants. That incident I already discussed. So same thing here discussed. So Prophet ﷺ was born in the city of Makkah in 570. Well, now Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam father Abdullah was a member of the tribe of Quraysh. Quraysh were looking after the Holy Kaaba. That's why they were very important in Makkah. Abdullah had died before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. Students, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's father was the member of a Quraysh, and the Quraysh people looking after the Holy Kaaba. And most of the people of the Holy Makkah, they respect the Kaaba. That's why those who are looking after the Holy Kaaba, I mean the Quraysh peoples, they also, every human being, every peoples of the Makkah, they also respect the Quraysh people. And our Prophet ﷺ's father, Abdullah, he has been died before Muhammad ﷺ's born, I mean before a few months. Then the noble Arabs sent their babies out into the desert to be nursed on the 8th day after the birth and remained there till the age of 6 or 8. The babies learned good habits there. Students, that was the practice of noble Arab. When any noble in the family of noble Arabs come the newborn baby, they send their babies into the desert area. Why they send their baby into the desert area? For learning the good habits, for take caring nicely. That's why. So same as our Prophet ﷺ was from the Quraysh family, and same as he was the noble Arabs family also. And now this para I already told you from lesson 14. Amina See students, here I written two spelling of Amina. Both are correct. This spelling from your book and this one also right. So Amina, the mother of Prophet ﷺ, was waiting for 5 wait nurses. At last, Banu Sa'ad is a child name, came to Makkah. One of them was Halima, and you know Halima was the foster mother of Prophet ﷺ. She lifted him in her arms and left. Students, when Prophet ﷺ was born and he was from the noble Arabs family, and some women came from other places to the Makkah for taking the newborn babies for rearing. So many of the women came to Makkah. Among them, Halima radiallahu anha was. And Banu Sa'ad is a child name. They were the famous for fine weight nurses. For rearing the babies properly. So those came to Makkah. All women got one baby for rearing instead of earning some monies, but left only one, that is Halima radiallahu anha. She didn't get any babies, but one was left there, and that was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But nobody is interested for taking the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because already few months ago Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam lost his father. That's why if any of the women take for rearing the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who will pay the money? So that's why they was not interested for taking him. But at last, Halima radiallahu anha taken him for rearing, and Halima's economical situation was not good. She was very poor, and her husband also. So in that year, there was no rainfall. That's why Halima's camel was not giving the milk also. So they were the critical situation. After that, she left Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and left the Makkah. And now, here Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's days in the desert were his happiest days. At the age of 5 or so, he was returned. But when he was 6 years old, his mother Amina also died. Now his grandfather was rearing him, but he means his grandfather Abdul Muttalib also passed away 2 years later. Then he was rearing by his uncle Abu Talib. Abu Talib was not a rich man. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked after his animals. Students, when Halima taken the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for rearing in the desert area, he was very happy. Happiest days was there. But Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Halima radiallahu anha returned him in his mother Amina, and when his age was 5 or so means 5 plus. But after few months, when he was 6 years old, his mother Amina also has been died. So now he was rearing to his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. But after 2 years, also his grandfather Abdul Muttalib passed away. He has been died. So now he is totally orphaned. And those are orphaned who has no parents, father or mother or both. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was an orphan. At last, now his uncle Abu Talib taken Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for rearing, and he was growing up in the Abu Talib's family. But Abu Talib was not the rich man. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was hard work. That's why he rearing the animals, he tending the animals of Abu Talib's. When he was tending the Abu Talib's animals, he seated under the tree and looked in the sky or in the moon or stars, and he was thought deeply, who has created this world? Who has created the sky, sun or moon, etc. But he didn't get the proper answer. So this was our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's childhood is. And last 2 lines, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us something, that is how we should live in this world. He also taught us, say what is true even if it is bitter. It means how we will live in this world. Every sector of Prophet shown us, and every time we will say the truth. Even we will face any dangerous situation, we will say truth. Don't say any lie. Students, now I will do the fill in the blanks according to the discussion of these lessons. And there are 8 fill in the blanks. Number 1 is Muhammad's father name was, already we know, Abdullah. A-B-D-U-L-L-A-H, Abdullah. Dash were the most important people of Makkah. Quraysh. Q-U-R-A-Y-S-H, Quraysh. Then is Quraysh. Quraysh were looking after the Kaaba. L-O-K-I-N-G, looking. A-F-T-E-R, looking after means take care. Number 4, Allah sent dash of dash flights, F-L-I-G-H-T-S, flights of birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds, to kill the army that came to dash attack, A-D-D-A-C-K, attack the dash holy Kaaba. Students, Kaaba spelling K-A-B-A or K-A-B-A-H, both are correct. Number 5, when Muhammad's grandfather died, he was 8 years old. Number 6, Muhammad tended, the tended means serve, take care, looking after. Tended the sheep, S-H-W-P, sheep. Number 7, while tending the sheep, Muhammad dash thought deeply, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought, D-W-P-L-Y, thought deeply. Number 8, Muhammad spoke only when necessary, N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y, necessary. Students, see, I given here HW. HW, this is the first HW in annual term, and your HW is fill in the blanks, only answer. No need to pick up the sentences in your HW copy. Only the answer you will pick up in your HW copy. And this is the lecture number 2. My beloved students, hope you all understood my discussion. Keep learning and writing all the topics and do your HW, because this is very important, because according to the performance of your HW, you will get the CT or diary or SBA marks and submit every Sunday in your school. To abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.